Hi and good morning to Madam Heather. Today I am Sinaza binti Saidin and my matrix number is 07DLS20F2049 and my other member group which is Aiza, Dewi, Diba and Suzin. We are going to present one of a topic in regard of current issues and development in logistic management, which is halal logistic issues. So what is the real definition of halal logistic? Halal logistic is a novel in the SCM of halal industry. Halal logistic is defined as the process of managing the procurement, movement, storage, and materials handling part of livestock and semi-finished inventory, both food and non-food, through the organization and the supply chain in compliance with general principle of Sharia law. Well, halal logistic can be known as managing the material flow and information flow throughout the supply chain in accordance to a halal standard. The material flows covers the transport, storage, and terminal operation. The information flows cover the management of the data in supply chains such as product information, demand data, and halal logistic label and code. Halal logistic is a system based on segregation instead of detection. Halal products are segregated from non-halal product to avoid contamination and avoid making a mistake and ensure consistency with expectation of the Muslim consumer. Next, I will pass to Dewi.
My name is Nur Amira Dewi, matrix number 07DLS20F2044. I will be talking about how halal supply chains affect logistics. Halal supply chains include everything from the procurement and preparation of genuine halal ingredients to the manufacturing and delivery of the final product all the way to customer shelves. These include the separation of halal ingredients from non-halal products. Since halal is spreading through the supply chains, the logistics of halal products are being considered by the food industry as well as logistic industry to guarantee the halalness of product when they reach end consumer. This leads to the introduction of halal logistic. The logistic operations are performed according to halal standards.
Thank you to Dewi. I can continue. My name is Diba Nazira and my number matrix 20DLS2041. I can explain about halal logistic marketing mix, and the first one product, and number 2 price, and number 3 praise, number 4 promotion, and number 5 pupil, and number 6 program, and number 7 process. I can pass to Aiza. Thank you.
My name is Nurul Aiza Miti Azmi and my matrix number is 07DLS20F2037. Port play a vital role as a logistic platform in halal supply chain. It acts as a gateway in which the logistic handling of cargo is performed for system. First one is specifically transfer, delivery or receipt, shipment and storage. It involves three generations. The main function of port is to provide storage for cargo. In second generation, port function include cargo distribution, packaging as well as processing for conventual and bulk cargo. Meanwhile, the port of the third generation acts as a facilitator in cooperation and information sharing activity among stakeholders. The halal control assurance activity conducted at transport, warehouse and terminal should be clearly examined in preserving the halal status. For example, the transportation of halal products should not be mixed with non-halal products. The management must ensure that the transport is clean before use according to the hygienic standard. Next, I will pass to Suzin.
Hi, my name is Sujin Gilbert and my matrix number is 07DLS20F2078. Today I will talk about the issue of halal logistic. The first issue is the lack of enforcement. This leading to less manpower, making it slow in processing halal certification. Also lack on to execute duties and responsibilities. The second is the basic needs for halal implementation. lacks of study on access the basic needs to implement halal logistic, especially daily operation. The third is packaging. A lot of packaging that has halal certification still adopted on Sharia complements. The last is halal warehouse. Majority still don't want to use halal warehouse to add to the business operation. In conclusion, due to the fact that not only Muslims consume and prefer halal food product, thus the implementation, the enforcement, and the integrity of halal supply chain is crucial towards the successfulness of halal logistics in Malaysia. Therefore, as suggested, it should start from every warehouse where only certificate halal product is allowed to distribute throughout Malaysia. To implement this, role of Jakim is much needed in every disembarking point of goods distribution in Malaysia.